Hi, so many of you were asking me how to actually contact Meta support, and today I'm recording this simple video to actually explain you one of the ways how to contact Meta representative. So first we are going to the Facebook Help Center. You can just type it in Google and follow the first link, or directly access it with the link I will provide in the description. Once the page opened, simply scroll down and click visit Business Help Center. Scroll down and find the block which says find answers or contact support. Here you have to simply click get started. After that, you will be brought to your Facebook ads account, and here again just scroll a bit down, find the block which says still need help. Contact a support professional if you are still experiencing an issue with your accounts. And you see on the right side there is a contact support button. Just click here and you are just a minute away from getting a help. Now, what you need to do first is to explain the issue, to describe the issue which you are having. So suppose I have got my ads got disabled. Okay, suppose. Now I am giving just a very short description. What I would suggest you to do is actually give as more details as possible. Okay, then we click next step, and finding in the list they will be giving you few options which would describe your issue the most. Just select one of the options from the list. So let's say ad or promotion rejected. Now here at this stage they will ask you to select the page. Now you have to select the page under which you are facing those specific issues. Here is one of the most important steps, because first what you need is to actually enter your email address, and please make sure it's correct, because Meta may contact you back via emails. Then fill up the box where it says where it asks you to add any information you think will help us understand the issue better. Again, give the most possible detailed explanation, because again your chat support button might not be active and you probably won't be able to open the live chat support. It happens at times. So in this case your request will go to the Meta support email and they will be communicating with you through email. I will add a demo description here, ABCD. You need to add as more details as possible. Okay, now also you will need to enter your valid phone number. Please make sure that it's valid and correct, because again they might contact you via email or they might call you also to help you resolve the issue. And here is the magic: the start chat button is active. You simply click it here, click the button start chat. If you click, the chat will open, which we don't need, so I will open and just close it. Thank you. I hope it helps.